Hi, high schooler. If you're thinking of taking any pre-college courses highlighted and promoted on prelum.org, here's what you should know. These courses are not your typical classroom lectures. They feature over 100 dynamic videos instructed by accomplished professors from top universities. In each video, the professor hosts leading industry experts, professionals, researchers, and even students to weigh in on the most interesting of topics. The course will include interactive simulations, demos, activities, experiments, and tours depending on the course subject, quizzes to test what you've learned, and even insider tips on future careers and your journey to college. Throughout the videos in the course, you'll get instruction from the professor asynchronously, and you'll be able to reach out to your mentors for support and answer questions throughout the course and brainstorm your final project. Each course will have discussion boards where you can engage with other students in your cohorts. When you finish the course, you will receive a certificate of completion that you can include on your college applications.